And the moment of the through. Hey, it's working! Hello, welcome back. If you didn't watch my review video of H2S, it is a fantastic printer, but my unit arrived with one issue. These top ventilation doors are stuck in closed position, and I completely finished my PN and PETG test prints in that review video, and only then I noticed that it is stuck, it never opens. Then I tried to open it with my hand, and I could open it, but now it is stuck in open position. So when I'm printing some ASA or similar technical filaments, I seal this opening with this textile and it works fine, but of course this is so great printer that even this small issue bothers me and I want to fix it. And even now when these doors are open, printer always thinks that the doors are closed, because with the PLA printing I am getting this error message to open the door or the door is stuck. And when I'm printing ASA, for example, with the actively heated chamber, even if the doors are open, it don't give me any kind of the error. I got instructions from the Bambu Lab what to check, and first thing was to check the magnet on the doors. Is it in the place or maybe it fell out? And I checked, the magnet is there and it is not near the Hall sensor, so that's not the issue. Next thing is to remove this panel, and I already did that. Start with removing of this screw from inside in the center of this panel. So first we have to pull out these two corners. It is not easy, so I used both my hands. Then it pop out from the place. The next one is to push this whole plastic up just few millimeters. Be careful, because if it runs then you may strip out the cables of the screen. And then with the bending or flexing you have to pull out this side. On Wiki page there are nice pictures and also they have the video, but it is not easy task. And after that you have to be careful to remove the screen. You have to lift up this black arm and then you can pull out this cable. They told me to check this cable if it is unplugged. I even tried to pull it out and press it back, so definitely this cable is plugged, there is no issue with that. So if this still doesn't solve the problem, and it doesn't, I already checked, I placed back temporarily the screen, I have to move to the back side and completely remove the back panel. Sorry I forgot to mention in the intro, but this video and the whole channel is sponsored by Polymaker and my Patreon supporters. Back to the video. And that's not an easy task neither, because I have to remove more than 20 screws, including these ones. All 11 screws with the red circles are removed. And now 11 screws marked with these green rectangles. I'm not sure why they separated them. Are they in a different size, or they just didn't want to scare us with so many circles and rectangles? They are different. Those marked with the circles are some kind of metric bolts. And with the green rectangle or square, these are some kind of self-tapping. So these are two different types, so don't mix them. And the last two will be two on the top because they hold the plate in the place. So this is the back side without panel. And there is the board. And I'm not sure if I have to remove this channel too. And following the wire, I think I found it. Ah yes, this was not plugged completely. Hope you can see it on the camera, I'm not sure. It's not too big space here. I need two hands, sorry. What confused me first, that on their wiki page it has automatic top vent motor. But actually this is the plug for the motor and for the Hall sensor too. The back panel is still removed. I connected the AC plug, so I want to test it first. I connected the screen, but I didn't mount back this plate yet. Let's turn it on first. And it will not work. Okay, yes, safety. Safety plug. I saw an LED there for the moment. Oh, look at that. Okay. To be honest, it will be easier to start on the back side, because this is harder to remove. Now turn it off and assembling. Okay, this was the last screw. Now let's go to the front. And now the front panel. The screen is already attached. So first the left side goes in, then I have to bend it and push it the right side under this gray plastic. And then press it down and then pop in these two sides. Okay. That will be it. Theoretic is completely assembled, and let's see, is everything okay? It already wants to update the firmware. Let's wait with that, please. Okay. Let's see the back doors. Great. What can I tell you? It is so good feeling that now everything is functional on this printer. Since my doors were stuck in open position, theoretically I could use them. For period it has to be open, but it gives me the error message. For the ABS I can just use this as a ceiling and it is completely functional. But now when I know that everything works on it, it is so good feeling. And I'm sorry, maybe this is not too good subject for a separate video. I hope that nobody will need this actually, but who knows, I hope that somebody will find this useful. Thank you for watching until the end and happy printing.